Hello, my dear kids. I know you are also curious about today's session. That what new things shall we learn in this session? We have learned I, you, he, she, we. Today we are going to learn the pronouns it and they. Before we start our session, let's recapitulate what we have learned in our previous session. And who is this girl? Okay, this girl is giving her introduction. Myself, Riya, and I like to read books. So, we use the pronoun I for ourselves. Children, do you have your family picture like this? Yes, very good. What this woman is saying? She is saying, Deepak, my daughters and I are happy. हम लोग happy हैं. And that is why we use the pronoun we. We are a happy family. As when we are talking about ourselves and someone else, then we will use the pronoun we. Let us begin with the pronoun it. Students, pronoun it is used for only one bird, one animal, one thing. जैसे आप देख रहे हो पिक्चर में एक ही बर्ड है, एक सन और एक क्लाउड है, और इसके लिए प्रोनाउन ईट को हम सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन बोलते हैं. इफ वी वांट टू रिप्लेस the name of anything, any bird or any animal, then we will use the pronoun it instead of that noun. Right? Let us understand with different examples. What is this? This is an apple. And the apple is a fruit. I will replace the apple with pronoun it as apple is a name of a thing and we use the pronoun it to replace the name of a thing. Let us move on to another example. This is a fish and the fish is which color? Fish is yellow in color. Right, the fish is the name of an animal. If I want to use the pronoun, I will use the pronoun it as fish is the name of an animal. This is a monkey. The monkey is laughing. So tell me, which pronoun should we use? Yes, we will use the pronoun it as we are talking about an animal. And so we will replace the noun monkey with pronoun it. Let us revise the pronoun it with some examples. Amit has a cat. As cat is the name of an animal, we replace that noun with the pronoun it. In the second sentence, an elephant is a huge animal. It has a long trunk. I have used the pronoun it for an elephant as it is the name of an animal. In third sentence, Riya bought a new dress. It is very pretty. We used the pronoun it to replace the noun new dress as it is the name of a thing. Now children, you must have understood. For laughing monkey, apple and yellow fish, we used the pronoun it. Let us move on to another pronoun. They. Children, we will use pronoun they for more than one person, thing, animal and bird. That is why they is a plural pronoun. You will understand this with different examples. These are monkeys. And what are they doing? Monkeys are eating bananas. Right? So, here there are two monkeys. And that is why we will use the pronoun they. क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक से ज़्यादा monkey हैं. Let us move on to another example. Look at this picture. What are these children doing? They are playing jump a rope game. Look at these children. The children are playing jump a rope game. So they are more than one, and that is why we will use the pronoun they to replace the noun children. They are playing jump a rope game. Those are apples. The apples are falling down in the baskets. We will replace the apples with the pronoun they, as they are the name of things which are more than one. Children, apples and monkeys are plural nouns, and that is why we will use the pronoun they for them. Let us revise. Pronoun it is a singular pronoun. Pronoun it replaces the name of only one thing or animal. Pronoun they is a plural pronoun. We use pronoun they to replace the names of more than one thing, person or animal. Before we end our session, it's time for, yes, homework. Choose the correct pronoun from the bracket. Penguins are birds, but they or eat do not fly. So आपको चूज करना है they आएगा कि it आएगा. As penguins are more than one. So for more than one, plural pronoun will come. Now I gave you the hint. Second, I have one doll. It is my favorite doll or she is my favorite doll. All these sentences you write down in your notebook and put a tick on the correct answer. I hope you all have understood the pronouns it and they. Now we will meet in our next session with another chapter. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.